Hi guys, it's Marty here, and in this quick video we're going to be covering how to turn images into clickable links on WordPress. So to get started, we just need to open up the editor for a page or post, and then we can add our image. To do this, we just need to take a new line wherever we're wanting our image to appear, then click the plus symbol to the right, type the word image into this search bar, and then click on image to add the image block. Now we can either click Upload to upload a new image, or click Media Library to use an image we've already got. Then once we've added our image, we just need to click on it to make sure it's selected, and then click the chain link icon in the menu above it. And that's going to open up this pop-up. Now we can either type or paste the URL we want to link to into this box, and then click the enter icon to the right to add the link. Now, if we're linking to another website or a page we want to open in a new tab, we just need to click this down pointing arrow to the right, and then turn on the switch beside Open in New Tab. And now when someone clicks on this image, it'll open up the link in a new tab. Then once we're finished, we just need to click Save in the top right to publish our changes. And now when we visit the page or post, and click on our image, it'll link to whatever URL we used. And as we can see, mine is opened in a new tab as I turned on that switch. But if you left the switch turned off, yours will open in the same tab. So that's us now at the end, and that was how to turn images into clickable links on WordPress. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a like here on YouTube to show your support, and consider subscribing to the channel for more WordPress tutorials in future. Also, be sure to leave suggestions for any tutorials you'd like to see from this channel in the comments. Once again, my name's Marty, and thank you very much for watching.